Oh my god. The Do It All liquid blush is now in 10 shades? What? And I'm gonna swatch it with you. Always Sweet, a baby pink. Always Fresh, a muted coral. Always Blushin', a candy pink. Always Vibin', a rosy red. Always Summerish, a mid-tone rose. Always Charming, soft peach. Always Sassy, poppy pink. Always Serving, mellow mauve. Always Giving, dusty pink. Always Lovely, romantic mauve. Now let's apply the Do It All liquid blush with my foundation, concealer, contour, and I'm going to be using Always Sassy. This is Always Sassy. This is a poppy pink. I love pink blushes. I'm just going to blend it with a sponge. 2 dots. My God! Grabe talaga tong Do It All liquid blush, and ang galing ng Vice Cosmetics to add more shades. We now have 10 different shades for this blush. Talagang hindi magkakaubusan. Tapos pag nag-sale pa to, my God! Ang ganda! Now let's set it with a powder. So this is the blush after setting it with a loose powder. Now let's try putting it on top of a set makeup. Let's go. Hindi ko siya ilalagay directly sa aking skin, but here on back of my hand. Then get the product. Dab, dab, dab. Oh my God. Oh my God. Sabi ko sa inyo, ito yung maganda with this blush is that it can work even on top of set makeup. Just use a brush and don't put it directly sa face mo kasi may tendency na mag-move talaga yung makeup. But, oh my God, I'm in love. I'm obsessed. So, damihan ko pa, diba? Kasi, ang ganda ng blush talaga na to. Nakakaloka. Blush Blindness Who. And again, these are the Vice Cosmetics Do It All liquid blushes. And to think na laging sold out yung 4 shades nila before. And now they added 6 more shades. I think there is room for everyone to try this. Talagang mabibigyan lahat. Goodbye!